Hey guys, Sam here from Speedline Technology. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the 1x1 driveway alert system. So I would firstly like to thank 1x1 for sending this product out for review. Taking a look at the box, it's very simple. It features a white design with a blue part on each side. On both the front and back we have the 1x1 branding, the product name, a short description of the product, some of the main features and a diagram. On both the right and left sides we have all of the features, a specification and a list of what you get in the box. Opening up the box, we are straight away introduced by the wireless receiver and two wireless transmitters, along with some wall plugs and screws, an instruction manual and a warranty card. So taking a closer look at the receiver, it has a pretty basic design featuring a pink strip at the top which covers 3 blue LED bulbs. Just beneath this we have the speaker for the alert sound. On the right hand side we have a DC 6V input port above the mode switch. On the left hand side we have the power switch just above the sound and flash switch button and the auto learning code button, and finally on the back we have 2 holes for attaching the receiver to the wall, and beneath this we have a battery slot which holds 3 C-size batteries. Taking a look at one of the transmitters, it features a large PIR sensor on the front just above a small blue LED light which illuminates when movement is detected. On the back we have a hole to attach the transmitter to the wall just above a battery slot which holds 3 AAA size batteries. According to the box, you can also use a 4.5V DC power supply to power these transmitters, but I was unable to find a port to plug the power supply into. The system is extremely easy to set up. When you switch the receiver on for the first time, the 3 LEDs at the top will illuminate in bright blue for 15 seconds. In this time you must trip the sensor by walking past one of the transmitters. The receiver will beep twice to confirm that the link has been made. You can then do the same with the other transmitter, but by pressing the auto learning code button first to initiate another link setup. The receiver has 3 selectable operation modes: sound only, flash only or sound and flash. Also you can set the transmitter to chime, low or alarm. Chime is a loud beeping sound which repeats itself 4 times. Low is the same sound but slightly quieter. And alarm is a piercing alarm sound which is actually 100 decibels loud. The PIR sensors have a sensing distance of around 16 feet from my tests, but the sticker on the back of the sensor reckons they can sense as far as 18 feet, and the box reckons they can sense as far as 26 feet. The transmitters have a curved shape, therefore they also have a wide sensing angle which is about 45 degrees. The receiver is capable of picking up transmitted signals up to around 50 meters. The system allows you to easily add more receivers or sensors by the simple matching process. A great feature is that when you switch off the receiver or change the batteries in the receiver or transmitter, you do not need to relink all of the devices. Overall, I think this is a great little product. It's basically just a cheap battery operated alarm system that can be used in so many different scenarios other than just on the driveway. My name is Sam and you've been watching Speedline Tech TV. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.